I am from Gaugrass Maths Hub. Today I have taken one question from NCERT 12 Maths that is related to relation and function. The question is, question number 2, exercise 1.3 equal to let f comma g and h be functions from capital R to capital R full stop, so that in bracket f plus g bracket close OH equal to FOH plus GOH semicolon in bracket f dot g bracket close OH equal to in bracket FOH dot in bracket GOH full stop. This is the question. Now here I shall write solution. Solution equal to, here it says let f, g, h be functions from set of real number to set of real number. So here I shall write LHS. Let LHS equal to, in this question you can see here this one, in bracket f plus g bracket close OH belong to X, where for all X belong to capital R. Here I have written let LHS equal to, this one I have written f plus g bracket close OH belong to X, comma for all X belong to capital R. This is the statement you have to write. Here again implies that LHS equal to, here you can see this is the things given in the left hand side belong to S, where X belongs to capital R. So here you can write this one is there, f plus g OH in bracket small x semicolon for all X belong to capital R. These are the things I have written correctly. What to do next? Here I shall write small bracket f plus g. This small o will be converted into half circle bracket. So here I shall write half circle bracket. Right here h in bracket, right here x bracket close bracket. Now again f plus g is there in one bracket and this is hx is there. Now this hx will get enter inside, bracket will be broken. So here we will write in bracket f bracket hx bracket close bracket close. Here you can see hx has got entered and connected to f. So this will become f of hx plus this plus sign will come here and this hx will enter and get related to g here. So this will become in bracket g open bracket here related it to x bracket close equal to. Now here I shall write, here you can see half circle bracket is there. So here write small f or this small bracket, you can say it, half circle bracket will be converted into small o. In place of half circle bracket, you will write small o. Here write h, in bracket write x, bracket close bracket. Now again you shall write, again I shall write small g. Here half circle bracket is there. So this half circle bracket will be converted into small o. So here write small o. Here it will be written h, in bracket x, bracket close bracket. Now what will do again? Here you can write, here you can see f of OH, g of OH is there, small x is there. So here you can take FOH, this in bracket small x is there in first term and also small x there in second term. So this small x will be taken as common. So in first term you will get f of OH. In second term you will get here g of OH. Bracket 1, here write small x. So here you can write, bracket will be broken. So here you can write f of OH plus g of OH. So here we have got LHS equal to RHS. Here by this way I have proved that this is the term given in LHS, this is the term given in RHS. So I have got here f of h plus g of h. So LHS is equal to RHS. Proving has been done. Now come out to next here. Here you can see again, in this case also again for second question, again let in bracket f dot g OH small x semicolon x belong to for all x belong to capital R. This thing you have to write. Let again, this one I have written in bracket f dot g bracket close OH I have written in bracket. I shall write small x comma for all x small x belong to capital R. What to do here? This is LHS. Here you can write LHS. LHS I have let here. LHS I have let here. So here imply that right here LHS. LHS it comes out to be. Here you can see this one is there. This one let in bracket f dot g bracket close OH x semicolon for all x belong to capital R. I have written. The LHS, this term is there in LHS. So here write f dot g OH x. What to do here? Here you can see this term will remain same. F dot g will be in one bracket and this small o will be converted into half circle bracket. Right here half circle bracket. Inside write hx bracket close. Now this hx will be related to f multiplied to this hx will be related to g. So here you can write small f dot in bracket h dot x bracket close into there, the this into will come at this place and here you write open here G in bracket right here, in bracket right here, G is there, right, it comes out to be H, it will become H X bracket. So this Hx will get entered inside, this bracket will be broken. I have written F will be related to Hx and G will be related to Hx. I have related F to Hx. F Hx will be in one bracket, dot G Hx will be another bracket. So here you can write, right here small bracket. Here you can see F is there right here F, and again half circle bracket is there. Half a circle bracket will be converted into small o, right here small o, right here H. Write in bracket X, bracket close bracket, dot. In next bracket it will become, here you can see half circle bracket is there. Half circle bracket will be converted into small o, right here G O H small x x x. So what to do here? Here you can write, here you can say this one will be written as FOH dot GOH can be written. In here you can write this one, like this way you can write dot GOH and take here x as a common. The separate thing will be there, just here small x, here small x written at one place, and FOH and GOH both will multiply together. Separate FOH and GOH in different bracket. Here you will get FOH dot GOH. X will be eliminated. This comes out to be RHS. So here you can see, let F dot GOH X for all x belong to. So from left hand side you can see this one. I have proved RHS, you can see FOH dot GOH. This is the right hand. The left hand side equal to right hand side. This is the